If your Chrome homepage suddenly changed to AVG Search Toolbar, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove AVG Search Toolbar from Chrome and restore your normal homepage, startup page, and search engine. This is a simple fix, but it's important to do it in the right order so the toolbar does not keep coming back. If this guide helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then go to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, hover over Extensions and click Manage Extensions. This opens the place where all Chrome add-ons are stored. Now look carefully through the list for anything related to AVG, such as AVG Safeguard, AVG Secure Search, or any toolbar extension that you do not recognize. If you see one, click Remove. Chrome will ask you to confirm, so click Remove again to delete it completely. Now that the extension is gone, the next step is to check your homepage and startup settings. Go back to the three dots menu and open Settings. On the left side, click on Startup. If Chrome is set to open a specific page or set of pages, look for any AVG web address, such as mysearch.avg.com or another suspicious startup page. If you find one, click the three dots next to it and choose Remove. Then select Open the new tab page so Chrome starts normally again. Next, we need to fix the Home button and Search Engine. Still in Chrome settings, click Search Engine on the left. Under the Search Engine section, choose Google from the drop-down if it is not already selected. Then click Set as default if that option appears. This makes sure your address bar search goes through Google instead of AVG. After that, go back and check Appearance or the Home button settings if needed, and make sure your home page is set to the page you actually want. If AVG is still causing problems, the next thing to do is reset Chrome settings. In Chrome settings, scroll down and click Reset Settings, then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This can remove leftover changes made by the toolbar and help clean up anything that is still stuck in the browser. Don't worry, this usually does not delete your bookmarks or save passwords, but it does reset startup behavior, search settings, and extensions-related changes. After that, I also recommend checking your installed programs on your computer. On Windows, open your settings or control panel and look through installed apps for AVG-related software you no longer want. Sometimes browser toolbars are tied to desktop software, so removing the program itself can help stop it from reinstalling browser changes later. If you don't need AVG Search or any related tool, uninstall it carefully. Once everything is cleaned up, close Chrome completely and open it again. Your homepage should now be back to normal, your search engine should be restored, and the AVG toolbar should be gone. If you still see it, go back through the extension list and startup settings one more time to make sure nothing was missed. And that's it. You've now removed AVG Search Toolbar from Chrome and fixed your homepage settings. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser fixes, computer tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.